Oh, wow, friends! I have breaking news to share with all of you this morning. President Biden has just made a big announcement. Triple payments will be going out this month in several states. It has also been confirmed that stimulus payments are coming to many residents in southern states during the month of November. Lawmakers have agreed to send out more relief to offset the biggest price hikes. Friends, this is your daily news report, so please make sure that you watch until the end of this video. I will be giving away 4 $75 Walmart gift cards every week. Please make sure that you enter the giveaways by clicking and liking several of my videos, and then comment below the keyword of each video that you watch. The more videos that you comment on, the greater your chances of winning the giveaways. During the months of November and December, I will also surprise several of you with $200 gift cards to say thank you so much, friends, for being part of this community.
Steve Howell.
Thank you, sir. How do you interpret last night's results in terms of deciding whether you want to seek another term? Is it now more likely that you will run? And what's going to be your timeline for consideration?
Well, first of all, Jill and I have, and by the way, it's my wife Jill, who's held a lot more popular than I am in the Democratic Party too. But at any rate, all kidding aside, our intention is to run again. That's been our intention, regardless of what the outcome of this election was. The fact that we won, I didn't run, the fact that the Democratic Party outperformed anything anyone expected and did better than any off-year presidency since John Kennedy is one that gives everybody like, whew, sigh of relief that the mega Republicans are not taking over the government again, et cetera. And so my judgment of running when I announce, my intention is that I run again, but I'm a great respecter of fate, and this is ultimately a family decision. I think everybody wants me to run, but we're going to have discussions about it. And I don't feel in any hurry one way or another to make that judgment, today, tomorrow, or whenever, no matter what my predecessor does.
Early next year, or what's your thinking?
My guess is, I hope Jill and I get a little time to actually sneak away for a week around between Christmas and Thanksgiving. And my guess is it'll be early next year we make that judgment. But it's my plan to do it now.
Record rates of inflation have been hitting all parts of the country very hard this year, but certain regions in the South may be experiencing some of the highest spikes. That has spurred some local governments to help residents with stimulus payments over the course of 2022, some of which are ongoing even now. According to Pew Research Center, the geographic area that includes parts of Texas, Florida, Arkansas, Louisiana, and Oklahoma saw some of the biggest price hikes over the summer, exactly 9.9%. That's compared to the roughly 8% increases nationwide for items such as gas, food, shelter, and utilities. Florida Governor Ron DeSantis tried to offset inflationary effects with a stimulus package, which is part of the Hope Florida program. It offered roughly 59,000 families a check for $450 per child. Georgia also gave a surplus of state budget money back to residents over the summer, with single tax filers receiving $250 each and couples receiving $500. According to Forbes, these checks were mostly distributed by August. However, there are 2 states in the South that are still distributing stimulus payments. A large portion of personal state income taxes are headed back to South Carolina residents starting later this month and into December. Amounts paid out will run up to $800, depending on what the individual or couple who filed jointly paid out of pocket. Anyone who paid under $800 total will receive a full refund. The most payments have now gone out to Virginia residents. There are still some people who will be receiving their check for $250 per person, or $500 for couples filing jointly. Payments to 3.2 million residents are planned to go out through the end of the year, especially for those receiving paper checks or who submitted state income taxes in or after September. On a national level, the IRS still has stimulus money for 9 million Americans. For the most part, this includes people who have not filed their 2021 tax return, and as such, have not been able to take advantage of last year's stimulus payments, as well as earned income tax credits, child tax credits, and additional benefits. It is very important to take action and claim these extra relief payments if you haven't done so yet. Friends, the keyword for this video is Paradise Mountain. If you would like to enter today's Walmart gift card giveaway, please make sure that you click and like several of my videos and then comment below this keyword, which is Paradise Mountain, and additional keywords of any video of mine that you watch. And do make sure, friends, that you are subscribed to my channel. Remember, friends, that the more videos that you comment on, the greater your chances of winning the giveaways. President Biden announced that he intends to run for re-election and would likely make a final decision by early next year. This announcement comes after declaring the results of the midterm elections. White House officials expressed a sense of relief that President Biden's fellow Democrats did better than expected. President Biden, who turns 80 years old this month, has faced questions on whether he will seek a second term. A Biden advisor said preparatory discussions for a 2024 campaign were underway. Biden told reporters at the White House, "Our intention is to run again. That's been our intention. That is ultimately a family decision." Biden said his family wanted him to run, and he did not feel rushed to make a final decision. Biden also stated he would do so unrelated to any announcement from his 2020 rival. President Biden focused his campaign pitch largely on passing his economic policies. Republicans are expected to try to undo some of those policies and prevent him from achieving further goals. However, Biden said he was prepared to work with Republicans. He also stated, "The American people have made it clear. I think that they expect Republicans to be prepared to work with me as well." Biden said he would veto efforts to pass tax cuts for the wealthy, one policy proposals that Republicans may pursue. He said he was going to speak to House Republican leader Kevin McCarthy later this week. Biden also plans to invite Democratic and Republican leaders to the White House to discuss priorities going forward. So, dear friends, what are your thoughts on all of this? Please let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. Well, my amazing and greatest dear friends, that is the end of my daily stimulus update video. Thank you, dear friends, for joining me here every day when I post a new video. I greatly appreciate all of you, my friends. I'll be announcing a winner in a video later today for the $75 Walmart gift card giveaway. So please make sure that you do stay tuned for that video and enter as many keywords in the comment section below of each video that you watch. Thank you and have a wonderful and blessed day.